Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling seemingly simple question that can have a big impact on your videos. It seems like a no-brainer, but there are strategic reasons to choose one over the other. Let's become video format ninjas and ensure your content is displayed perfectly for your viewers. Horizontal versus vertical. For years, YouTube has been landscape world. The vast majority of content is filmed horizontally, just like traditionally TVs. This format benefits offer a wider view, perfect for showing sceneries, demonstration, or multiple people. Work seamlessly with most computer screen and TVs, avoiding black bars. Align with how people naturally hold their phones when watching YouTube. Introduction to vertical video. But wait, there's a new player in the game, vertical video. With the rise of mobile viewing, vertical formats are become increasingly popular. They are perfect for filming on the go with smartphone, no need to rotate. Offer an immersive experience for viewers holding their phones vertically. Can be ideal for quick updates, stories, or behind the scenes content. Choosing the right format, consider your content. So horizontal or vertical. Here's the key. Choose the format that best suits your content. Horizontal is ideal for tutorial, reviews, vlogs with scenery, interviews, and any content that benefits from wider view. Gaming video. Most games are designed horizontally. Content you plan to repurpose for other platforms like website or presentation. Vertical is ideal for quick updates, challenges, behind the scenes games, and personal stories. Content is specifically designed for mobile viewing like Instagram stories or YouTube shorts. Situation where filming horizontally might be impractical like vlogging while walking. Here are some things to keep in mind. Horizontal videos with black bars on mobile device are still perfectly watchable. Vertical on desktop. Vertical videos on desktop might appear small, but viewers can choose to full screen them. YouTube is constantly evolving and video formats might too. Stay updated on platform trends and adapt your approaches accordingly. So in this video I discuss which format is suitable for your video. So guys, I hope you learned something new. What format is good for you and your content. So if you learned something new, then subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in next video.